that the Somali community has requested a meeting with the board of directors of this hospital. The same board that has denied our people numerous times a meeting. Hulle het gespring vir die Somalians. The Somalians came in, they raised issues. There is uncertainty. Oor die berig praat hulle van Somali community and the hospital form some kind of partnership. We don't know what it is. We want to know what it is. Secondly, the Somalis are saying they are here to say they are unhappy about the language barrier, number one, and the culture barrier. Now, for us, it's very simple. They must rather go to their hospitals in Somalia than to come make tracks or to come sit in boardrooms and say this is unhappiness. You don't have an option to be happy in this country if you're coming from another country. And those people in that boardroom, we want to know, are they legal in this country? Are they even legal in this country? But the problem right now is with the board and with the hospital management. We want to know, how do you allow a Somalian foreign community and you deny your own people that live around these areas? I'm going to bring in our cluster leader for the PA, which is cluster 1, Kariga.
But they never ever had an opportunity to give us opportunity of a platform to discuss issues at this hospital. And here we see now foreigners are being given an opportunity to engage with management. Basic thing from us, it's unacceptable, because we as this country citizens here, members of the Yutni community, we are here for our people, and charities begins at home. Dat begin eerst by die huis, voor jy na ander mense gaan kyk. And it's sad to see that the same people that is fighting our community leaders are having a meeting with foreigners, giving them a platform. When we engage with these board members, they rather opt to get court interdicts against us, to keep us away, to come and ask what's happening here. People that's supposed to lead us, people that's supposed to look after the community's interests, are fighting us. They're not here as staff members of the Yutnik Provincial Hospital. No, they are here to represent the community.
You will see all the Somalians sitting in a boardroom in this hospital. You will see them sitting there very comfortably, being addressed very comfortably, very respectful in this hospital. You will see it there, and then you ask us, is it onnodig what ons doen? Right? So all these people that's here, they've been trying to get a meeting.
Somalians has no place in our hospitals. We don't need Somalians in hospitals. We don't need Somalians to have meetings at our hospitals. There's nothing that we need from Somalians that they should help us at our hospitals. No hospital authority should meet with Somalians. Whether they're here legally or illegally, their job, if they're here legally, they're here for business. They're not here to come and meet with hospitals and stuff like that. I want to make that very clear. I don't want to hear about Somalians are legally here, they have a right to meet hospitals. What are they doing here? Did you see the hospitals in Somalia? Did you see the hospitals in Somalia? If they want to fix hospitals, let them go fix in Somalia. Let them go fix the hospitals in Somalia. We should not give people, they must come here on their visa on a different reason, like they're either here on business, they're here illegally, they don't have a work permit to work at the hospital. They should stay far away from state institutions. I make that very clear. There's no grounds for Somalians to be calling the management. On what grounds? For what reason? I wanted to make that very clear. Our people can't get the same access. Access is important. Do our people get the same access? Or let the people of Itenach ask that same management to see them. Onze mense kan nie eens 'n nurse sometimes see nie. The nerves that they have. Hulle moet loop hier. Ons gaan Somalians moet huis toe gaan. Illegal foreigners will go home when we are down, when we are in power here. If you are a business person, you must go to private hospitals. Why don't you go to private hospitals? They're making money. They don't even pay tax. So I need you to know that PA's enemies was illegal foreigners. I want you to know. And if people are legally here, they should do what is on the document. They are not here to come and fix our hospitals. Are we so weak? We are leaders. But I can't tell you, but something is coming. That's all I'm going to say to you. So, just like all of you know here, we are family. You must never lose this. If God calls me home today, you must never lose what you have. You have something the DA and the ANC does not have. We are family. We are family. They say, oh, President Abahambe, excellence this Abahambe, but I cannot talk on those issues that concerns another minister. So Somalians must go to hell if they think they're going to fix our hospitals. They must, Abduliki moet huis toe gaan. That's the only thing they must do. Abduliki. And if you don't agree, and you think Somalians must be allowed certain rights in this country, that the ordinary people of Den Haag is not allowed in this country, then you are the wrong party, I'm sorry. Because ons staan so. Somalians should not be seeing. Imagine now if the church wants to see the management of the hospital, will that church be able to see them? That church will not be able to see them.